Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. So guys, if you want to download or update any app from App Store on your iPhone and apps are not downloading properly, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings and guys click on Wi-Fi. And guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not, then guys, you need to turn on your mobile data. And after this, you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to check your VPN connection. So guys, disconnect your VPN if connected. Then guys, you need to go back and guys click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version if not updated. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, then guys, you need to update your phone. And guys, you need to scroll it down. From here, you need to open App Store, scroll it down, click on personalized recommendations, and after this you need to click on clear app usage data, clear this data. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, at last your problem if still not fixed, then guys, you need to open your settings again. You need to sign out your Apple ID from here, and guys, after sign out you need to sign in again after a few minutes. And guys, after this you will be able to download any app from App Store on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.